Now we are going to do session number 14. Sit straight. Show me your palm. Put it on your thighs. Close your eyes and imagine.
Close your eyes. Imagine you are on a cricket field. The grassy ground is neatly trimmed and the players in crisp white uniforms are evenly spread out. The sun is blazing overhead and the crowd buzzes. You hear the thwack of the shiny red ball against the wooden bat. You watch the ball soar into the sky. It traces a smooth curve in the sky. You lose sight of it for a moment in the blinding glare of the sun. You see it bounce a few times on the ground before rolling to a slow halt against the rope. You cheer in unison with the crowd and clap happy